As you all know, my makeup looks are absolutely daily makeup looks, easy makeup looks, but sometimes using a little color makes it fun. Today I'm just going to go out with my husband for some cocktails and lunch because it's a Saturday. I've just washed my hair. I think I'm going to let it dry and not even style it, but I thought maybe a little color on my eyes should be fun. I like using this spray as it makes me feel really fresh before makeup. And as always, a moisturizing primer is important to me because for daily makeup, my foundation will always be powder based. My looks are usually so easy and so light. It can be done with Indian clothes, it can be done for work. Once you get the hang of it, you'll know exactly what I mean. So keep watching my videos. I do repeat my stuff, but it's going to help. This is always my go-to powder foundation for daily use and most of my own makeup looks. For this particular look, I'm absolutely avoiding concealer. But setting my eyebrows is a must. I always contour my eyes, even if it's a no makeup look or a heavy eye makeup look, contouring my eyes is a must for me. I'm going to be using this shade on the outer corner, on my crease line and a little bit on my lower lash line. I'm quite enjoying this new palette I got. It's got some really nice blues and greens. It can be used for heavy looks as well as light looks and daily looks, and I'm quite enjoying it. For the blue eyeshadow, use a soft but flat brush. Instead of applying it all over my eyelid, I'm going to make it look like a thick eyelining and also use some on my lower lash line. Now with the same brush, I'm using the same eyeshadow on my outer lower lash line, after which I'm going to complete the eye makeup with a good mascara. A nude lip liner to line and fill out my lips always. Then I use a darker lip liner to define my lips, or if I need to contour it. This color bar shade is definitely one of my favorite nude lipsticks, and I'm going to complete it with a lip gloss. I'm going to end my makeup with a creamy, peachy cheek tint, and I'm good to go. As a collector, I use all my makeup that I already have, and I share my makeup every time I do it. Please follow the techniques and don't blindly go with every brand I buy. Everything I use is available in different brands. Buy something that is easy for you to access or afford, and just follow the technique and you are going to be sorted. Do follow, like, subscribe and share my page and my channel. I have so much more to share with you.